Roddy, I feel like I've stumbled onto, this could almost be a dream. This is one of those spots you dream about of just, look at the sunset too, look at this. Like what a perfect setting. The first time I've ever come here, I went on a little bit of a recce, a bit of a mission. It's easy for me to get here from my house. It's super close, takes about 2 minutes. Nobody is ever gonna come here and look at it. It's like the spacing here, even though I'm not into freestyle, I wanna do freestyle here. I'm gonna learn because I feel like why this is here, before it gets demolished and all turned into houses, this is what we dream about, guys. Spots like this. So I don't know, beautiful. Let's do it. Let's rip a pack, see what it's like. See, even though my freestyle's terrible, let's just go for a bit of a spin and just see what I'm feeling good. I'm feeling positive about this place. I want to do freestyle and I'm going to learn to do it here. Let's I'll take you on the journey. Let's see what happens. Radio, here we go, and this is going to be a bit of a different one because, believe it or not, this video was actually filmed kind of last winter when I first discovered this spot, and I didn't know what a special place this was going to be, and it was kind of the start of a bit of an adventure. So this is day one of my 30 days of freestyle challenge. I didn't know it at the time, but this is where I decided I was going to do a lot of packs, try to improve my freestyle because I discovered this amazing spot, and luckily for you guys, I recorded all these flights. So for the next couple of days, I'm going to be releasing some videos of pretty much me learning to fly freestyle. You can see it's very rough here at the start, and just kind of talking about the lessons that I have. And I used to fly a lot of track flying, and I never thought I was really into freestyle, but once I found this spot, things kind of have started to change. It's going to be interesting. You can kind of see the progress that we make over the series of this video, and might be good for some people as well. If you're stuck indoors and you can't get out flying, well, you still might be able to get your FPV fix watching this. So the gear is probably going to change. You're going to see the weather changing. This is kind of shot over the course of quite a while, and unfortunately on this first flight, this is where the massive droner absolutely pretty much smashed in half. But anyway, this is day one of the 30 days of freestyle challenge, so stay tuned for day two. My massive droner. It's busted up good.